Hi friends, welcome to Pro Traders Club. Today let us recall once what happened yesterday and what will happen tomorrow in Bank Nifty and Nifty with the help of CPR indicator along with the stochastic RSI. And friends, if you like the content, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive latest notification from our site. Okay, let us continue with our topic. Here, as we have discussed, price opened huge gap down. The previous day video I have explained that one, and it broke the previous day low at the morning first candle only, 5 minutes candle only. You all can see that one. But here we are not having any selling signal. That's why we did not sell. You see this particular location, the market already in huge selling mode. Okay, that's why initial move we did not catch. Okay, you all can see that. Why? Because we got a selling signal at this, okay, at this location in stochastic RSI. At this location we got a selling signal, price moved like this, okay, and already the stochastic RSI is in overbought. Morning it is very difficult, and after moving at 9:30 to 9:35, it gave a bullish momentum here, a small retracement. Those who have entered here, they might have done very good money in this 400 points move, but our trade plan was that it is decreasing CPR if you compare with the previous. You all can see here is our CPR. Here is our CPR. This is March 5th CPR. The price CPR levels are decreasing. We will try to short mostly. Okay, shorting position we got here first move, and our initial target is this one. Okay, and the stop loss here itself 35 600 or 700, and after that market was in sideways. And you all can observe here one more pattern. This is triangular pattern, and we don't know which side triangular pattern will give breakout. Okay, it moved up to this location and took a resistance where actually morning it took resistance and then finally came down. Okay, here 35,000. If 35,500 breaks, next support will be at 35,000. That was our discussion in our previous video. Okay, and this is what happened in the previous day. Let us understand what will happen tomorrow with the help of support and resistances. Okay, let me switch on tomorrow's pivot level. You all can see I am just switching on tomorrow's pivot level. This is tomorrow's pivot level. Tomorrow we are having very narrow CPR in Bank Nifty, and in Nifty also I think we are having very narrow CPR. No, Nifty yesterday we were having narrow CPR. Tomorrow it is very somewhat wide CPR. And here you can see Nifty. Let us think about Nifty. Nifty's support one we are having at 14,835. This is support one according to pivot levels. 14,840. This is support one. However, we will see this one as the support level, and this is our CPR level for tomorrow, and this is resistance one. Okay, where it took V-shape, inverted V-shape recovery. This will be our resistance one. Okay, these are the levels which we should remember. You all can see here already SGX Nifty is 122 points upside. SGX Nifty future. That means we may expect a gap up on Monday. Okay, and let us observe here Bank Nifty also with the help of tomorrow's CPR indicator. You can see here very narrow CPR. Okay, what we will do in options, Bank Nifty options, if the price opens above this R1, okay, if the price opens above this R1, okay, just 300 points away, we'll see the price action and we'll buy CE. Okay, we'll buy CE. If the price opens below this, below this support one, we'll see the price action and we'll try to buy PE here, 35,000 PE. But if the price opens exactly flat, okay, there will be different news. Based on that, we'll decide our positions. Okay, flat also mostly I am expecting positive momentum on Monday. Okay, if it goes initial move downside also, 35,000 will be the greatest support and it will be bounced back from that level. That you should remember. Okay, let us understand the market with the help of option chain. Okay, just opening here option chain. Here how much time it will take? Okay. What happened? Yeah, it opened. Okay, bank nifty, let us see our bank nifty. Where is our support and resistance levels according to pivot, this chart. So we are seeing weekly options, 10th March, okay, option chain. With the help of puts, let us see now where is the support. With the help of calls we can find out the resistance. You can see here highest open interest at 35,000, 17,930 lots. This is this will act as support one. After that we are having 34,500. This will be the support 2. If support once breaks, automatically we can see support 2. However, I am thinking 35,000 will be the greatest support for market. After that we are having highest support at highest open interest at 34,000. This will be our support 3. Okay, let us understand the bank nifty resistances with the help of put option, call options, call open interest. Here we are having highest open interest at this level, at 35,500. this will be the resistance one. Okay, this will be the resistance one. After that we are having highest open interest at this level, 36,000. okay, 36,000, this will be resistance 2. After that we are having 36,500. this will be the resistance 3. okay, mostly I am expecting upside. Why? Because almost all 2 weeks onwards the market is in the same range, same place. Okay, that you can see in the chart. These are the support and resistance levels for bank nifty. Let us see the nifty option chain once here. Where is the support and where is the resistance for nifty? But I used to trade in bank nifty only, bank nifty options. And here with the help of puts, nifty support level we can see highest open interest is at this location, 16,431 lots. 14,900 is the biggest support. Okay, after that we are having 14,800. this will be support 2. This will be support 2. Then you are having here biggest support 14,700. this will be support 3. Okay, and the call OI, if we see, we will come to know where is resistance. Here we are having the immediate resistance at 15,000. okay, however we will see morning only it will be break. 15,000 level will be breaked. I think I am expecting gap up. This will be resistance 1, and the next level of resistance we can see at 15,100. this will be act as R2. Then the next level is 27,885. this will 15,200 will be the resistance 3. okay, I am expecting at price will open at R2 and market will be in bullish mode on Monday. Okay, let us see the world markets what they did. Okay, with the help of money control, you all can see here almost all European markets on March 6th, this you can see the date, on March 6th all European markets are in negative except American market, American Bazaar. American Bazaar, it is still in positive. You all can see here American Bazaar, this is American Bazaar, 1.5% of 196 points. Then what about SGX Nifty? Let us see SGX Nifty here. In Asian markets, Nifty futures we can see here in Singapore exchange, they are trading positive only 15,076. That means we can expect gap up on Monday if there is no any positive negative news. The remaining Asian markets are in negative, that you can see here clearly. If you want any information, you can get from this money control. This application is very helpful for the traders. Almost all, each and everything you can get from the money control. Okay, and let us see the FII and DII data here. Here on 5th March, both FIIs and DIIs are in sell side only. On 3rd March, both of them are in sell side only. Okay, this indicates that there is a we have seen the news that there is a very strong hit of inflation all over the world. And this is about the small explanation about Nifty and Bank Nifty. And do let me know in the comment section what you are thinking about Nifty and Bank Nifty, what will happen on Monday. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.